hoping soon you'll see the chaffinches and stuff coming. In a minute it seems to be. And there's normally a lot of house sparrows and tree sparrows as well. I mean, last spring we had baby everything, sparrows, finches, blackbirds. Oh, sorry, got distracted. Great tits, blue tits, robins, woodpeckers, literally dunnocks, everything you can think of. All on this fence, feeding their babies. It was amazing watching them. I've never seen anything like that in my life, so it was like amazing to me. So this year I plan to catch all that again, but better quality. Yeah, I've got some of those on my YouTube channel already, from the baby woodpecker getting fed by his dad, and robins and stuff. It's very good to watch. Makes you happy inside.